And finally, we have the weekly watcher and Mike Wheeler. Siyempre, hindi rin pauhulit to si Mike. Let's discuss the characters and the trivias along the way. Sino ba talaga siya sa barkada? At sino ang kausap niya sa walkie-talkie? Here we go. So ito na yung box, ang ganda talaga ng design. Kung box nga lang i-display mo, panalo ka na kagad eh. Pero syempre, unbox muna natin siya, labas natin yung toy. Yan, wala ding papel, no? Ginood time ba ako na yung first toy may papel at lahat ng 7 wala? Ito na yung The Weekly Watcher, no? Building at sa likod yung door. At syempre sa totoong buhay, hindi color pink yung building na to. So tara, ayusin na natin yung logo. Medyo mabilis no pero binocular yung logo doon. At ito na si Mike Wheeler. Mike is very loyal, emotional, brave, and the heart of the friend group. He's always been ready for adventure and willing gawin lahat para protektahan ang friends niya. Especially 11. Uy, bakit kaya? On this toy, he's wearing a leather jacket plus the walkie-talkie. So tatlo na silang may walkie-talkie, no? Silang tatlo kaya nag-uusap dyan. Eto na yung toy, nakataas din yung kamay niyang dalawa. And let's discuss some trivias about Mike. Trivia number 1. Mike is usually the leader of the group. Ibig sabihin, pinagkakatiwalaan siya ng barkada. Number 2. He deeply cares for 11. Parang may something, no? Uy. Trivia number 3. He loves fantasy adventures and Dungeons and Dragons. In fact, doon nila nakuha yung pangalang Demogorgon, no? So, there you have it. We have Mike Wheeler and the Weekly Watcher. Kayo, sinong leader ng barkada nyo?